Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn money with crypto staking. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. So let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Many investors would rather put their crypto to work than let it sit in their wallets and gather dust. Staking is a popular way to make money without doing anything. So today, this video will teach you what is staking, how to stake your crypto in 3 easy steps. So what is staking? Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism that is used by cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum. In simple terms, it works like this. People put their crypto in staking pools to keep it safe. 2. A pseudo-random algorithm chooses the validator of a transaction from the staking pools. 3. The transaction is checked and approved by the validator that was chosen. 4. The transaction is then added to the chain of transactions. 5. The person who verifies the transaction gets paid transaction fees for their work. Cryptocurrencies like Visa and other large financial companies charge transaction fees to validate and verify transactions. The main difference is that it is happening in a decentralized manner, that is, many people versus one company. But to a full-fledged stakeholder, you need a lot of technical knowledge and money. To become an individual staker in Ethereum, you need 32 Ether, that is about 76,800 US dollars, and a special computer, and you have to lock up your Ether for an undetermined amount of time. Some exchanges like Crypto.com act as middlemen to make staking more flexible, safer, and easier for people who are just starting out. So here we have staking in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Put the Crypto.com app on your phone. That is, get the application from Crypto.com. I've tried a lot of exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc. And Crypto.com is the only one that offers high yield percentage without making you keep your crypto for too long. Step 2. Use your Crypto.com app to buy USD coin. Click Trade on your homepage. You can use your credit card or fiat wallet to buy at least 250 US dollars coin, that is the USD coins. This is the minimum amount needed for staking. If you want to avoid credit card fees, you should move money from your bank account to your fiat wallet first. USD coin is the most stable coin in the world. A stable coin is a coin that can always be exchanged for $1 US. By staking USDC, you cut down on your risk of volatility. This is the risk that big drops in price will cancel out the gains from staking. Step 3. Use the earnings program to stake your USDC coin. Click on the Crypto.com logo in the middle bottom of the page. Click on Get Paid. Once again, you click on the plus sign. Choose a USDC coin. Choose the lockup term you want. I chose 3 months since this gives the highest yield. Your stake is now in motion. So now every week, your rewards for staking will be sent to your cryptocurrency wallet. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent, passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.